Finally, I made another tutorial, this time on how I made this trendy pearl necklace. I got so many messages asking for a step-by-step, and honestly, I love making handmade jewelry that's easy, pretty, and fun. So here you go. This one's for you, my lovely followers. First, make sure to use 26 gauge wire. It's flexible and perfect for beginners. You can use any kind of pearls. I'm not using freshwater pearls today, but go with what you have. Gold-filled chain. I love this chain. It's shiny, elegant, and doesn't tarnish easily. And that's it. Your own pearl necklace, handmade with love.
Love this. Save this tutorial. And don't forget to like and follow for more easy jewelry ideas.